What were your feelings about divine healing before you came on the training?
I was excited about it. I wanted to take what I already knew and add a whole nother layer to it. So all of the dimensional stuff is very important to me. And then being able to take this with my clients and really go to another level and really figure out what's going on with them and myself. And it's been very useful.
What do you take away from it?
I feel very empowered. And I feel that I'm taking away, I don't even know what I'm taking away yet. I feel like it's bigger than what I know is even there right in front of me.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Charlotte, how've the last 4 days been for you on Divine Healing 2?
Far more amazing than I expected. I knew something was going to happen in level 2. I had an inkling that there was going to be something big, but I had no idea that that 37 years of stress is over. My world is quiet. I can still see my team, and I can still see my angels, and they're busy doing this when they're working. And some of them are just standing there laughing or smiling, but it's now quiet, it's peaceful.
Okay, good.
I don't live in fear. I have no fear anymore. Yeah. So for me personally, it's been huge, absolutely huge.
Okay, thank you. Connie, how's level 2 been for you?
Oh, it's been absolutely amazing. I couldn't have imagined how much one, I felt like I've been in therapy for 4 days, so I personally have gotten a ton out of it. A lot of healing has come from it, and a lot of awareness of what more, and kind of more of a direct target of where I want to continue working on myself. As far as the charts and the work, I can't even begin to describe how poignant and how direct this work goes, and how beautifully the charts complement in tandem with each other to peel back the layers one at a time to really get to the core issue. And it's beautiful.
Okay, thank you. Sharon, how's your journey been on level 2?
My journey has been amazing. I've really appreciated the group as a whole and how everybody has openly supported each other. At times, the people have been experiencing some life-changing events, and even being able to be witness to people, being so open and allowing us to support them has been incredible. That experience alone is life-changing. The actual charts, I feel that they build really well on the level 1, the DH1 charts, and I'm really looking forward to working with them for myself personally, but also with other people that I know that cross my path as well, and if they're ready. Yeah, they've been great. Thanks, Nicolas.
Thanks, Sharon. Ngan, what are you taking away from the training?
What I'm taking away is that I think Antigone's word was that this was 5 times deeper than level 1, and I think it's exponentially deeper. Having personally experienced other people's releases of like long held traumas and my own 30 years of holding on to these childhood traumas that I never even was able to put words to, and have them come out so effortlessly without the emotional pain having to be relived, and clearing those programs is priceless. There's no way to put a quantifier on that. It changes your life, and with such precision, such elegance, just this beautiful process that leaves you feeling relief without having to relive the pain is very powerful to me.
Okay, thank you, Gina. Lavinia. How's level 2 been for you?
A lot of change. I'm just really very grateful for the support of everyone in the group. That's been really huge for me during this whole transformation. And again, I am also amazed at how, going on from level 1 to level 2, how this whole process just links together. It's just amazing, and thank you.
Okay, thank you. Raphael. How's your transformation been in level 2?
Well, from a personal point of view, it's been absolutely incredible. I was so eager to join. I was ready to learn more about divine healing too. And I always knew that you support yourself personally about, as well as learning to sort of pass on to others. And I was excited because the group is people I know, which was just such a supportive container for me, because I processed some huge traumas that I've carried for so many years. And it's just, I'm just trusting that my mind has absorbed all of the content in a way that I can pass it on and use it, because I'm still in such a place that it's just been so personally transformative. And I'm so grateful for that, because it's just given me so many access points and so many realizations, and it's just allowed me to become really settled with the feelings that I've been having, that they are truth, you know, they are present in me, and I've now got tools of handling them and processing them so gracefully, effortlessly, and I'm just trusting it more, leaning into it more. And it's just such a wonderful journey to explore, both personally and professionally. I can't thank you all enough for being there for me at a time when I really needed you all the most. So thank you.
Thank you, Raphael. Linda. How's it been for you?
Big shifts. It's a very powerful tool. It's amazing. Divine. It exceeded my expectations, to be honest. I didn't really know what to expect, but it's so much more powerful than level 1. Yeah, it's amazing.
Okay, thank you. Coralie, how are you doing after 4 days of intense transformation?
I was really excited to start this workshop. I've been looking forward to it for almost a month. It's really amazing, and it completely boggles my mind about how can Almera and you be so right and correct and manage to change such huge things with such few words. I still can't grasp that, because it is absolutely amazing how you do it. And every day I get up and I work on myself, and I can feel myself changing and advancing, and basically this is amazing. So thank you very much.
Thank you. April, how's this been for you? What do you take away with you from level 2?
So level 2 is definitely a much deeper dive than level 1. which is hard to imagine because level 1 is so powerful. So I was excited going into this, but I wasn't sure how it would go so much deeper. And it just really does. And it gets even deeper to the core of things. And I'm someone who has a lot of numbed and buried things, and it kind of gets around and gets right to the heart of it, which is really impactful for me. And my biggest takeaway, or one of my biggest takeaways, is perhaps the connection with the healing team, and then the other, just the teams in general that I didn't even realize we had access to for assistance. And I just think that's really powerful too. So yeah, it was absolutely amazing. So thank you.
Okay, thank you. Girling, how's level 2 been for you?
I have been waiting for days for level 2 to start, super excited. I've had some deep healing from my healer, and when she did some charts on me, I was like amazed. I was like, oh my God, I'm going to learn these new charts as well. And it feels like I have shed layers of my ego. I've had so much more awareness and understanding of my behaviors, my triggers, my attitudes to life, my fears, my insecurities. And I understand them now. I know where they're coming from. And I've got this beautiful tool now to work on myself and transmute those. I feel empowered, uplifted, and I feel so supported because we made such a beautiful circle, of these divine goddesses. So I feel really, really thankful and blessed for that as well. I can't wait to practice, Nicolas, and give this gift to who needs it. So thank you.
Okay, thank you.